Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are healthy, energetic, and ready to learn today. May you all be in your best condition so you can follow this lesson comfortably and with full focus, ya guys. Okay, guys, students, whether you realize it or not, every day you see many interesting scientific phenomena. For example, when the headlights of a car over structured while facing thick fog, or when dust particles seem to dance around in a beam of sunlight. You may also have seen how dirty water becomes clearer after adding a lamp. These things are not just ordinary events. They are strongly related to the topics we will learn today, which is the properties of college. So do not worry, this topic is not difficult at all. In fact, it is very close to your daily life, guys. Okay, guys, by the end of today's lesson, you are expected to the first identify and explain the four main properties of college, which are the Tyndall effect, Brownian motion, absorption, and coagulation. And second, relate these properties to real life phenomena that you counter around you every day. Guys, before we go deeper into the materials, I want you to look at this picture. Here you can see a place like becoming visible when it shines through a mixture and milk and water. This does not happen with pure water. Through this simple observation, I want you to realize that something that looks ordinary can lead us to understand important scientific concepts, guys. Now, let's move into our main discussion of the four properties of college. I will explain them one by one so you can understand them thoroughly. The first, the Tyndall effects occurs when light is carried by colloidal particles, making the light beam visible. For example, when vehicle headlights are scattered in fog. Fog is a colloid, so each particles scatter the lights, making the beam ever broader. The simple phenomenon play a very important role in understanding the behavior of colloidal system. Okay, guys, next, Brownian motions. Brownian motions refers to the random and irregular movement of colloidal particles due to collision with molecules in the dispersion medium. A common example is dust that appears to move randomly when sunlight passes through a window. Although it seems like the dust is moving on its own, its motion is actually caused by continuous collisions with air molecules, proving that air is made of consistently moving particles. Okay, guys, the next adsorption is the ability of colloidal particles to attract and hold ions or molecules on their surfaces. A good example is activated charcoal used in water filters. It can absorb color or other causing substance, making the water clearer. This concept is widely used in water treatment, medicine, and even cosmetics. The last, coagulation is the process in which colloidal particles clump together to form larger particles that eventually settle down. A simple example is adding alum to muddy water. The alum causes the colloidal particles in the water to gather into clumps, forming sediment and leaving clearer water at the top. This process is essential in water purification. Before we continue the next part of lesson, I will like all of you to watch a short video about college. This video shows several examples of college in everyday life, so as make fall and other mixture that are not true solution. Please watch careful and pay attention to how the college effort and how like interacts with them. Okay guys.
Hai teman-teman, pada video kali ini kita akan membahas praktikum efek tindal, yang mana alat dan bahan yang diperlukan adalah air biasa, susu, pasir, gula, laser, dan sendok. Praktikum yang pertama yaitu efek tindal pada larutan gula. Alat dan bahan yang digunakan yaitu air biasa, gula, sendok, dan laser. Hal pertama, kita cek arah sinar pada air biasa. Bisa dilihat arah sinar diteruskan. Kemudian kita coba dengan memasukkan 1 sendok makan gula pasir ke dalam air biasa, lalu kita aduk terus sampai larutan gula homogen. Setelah itu kita lakukan percobaan kembali dengan laser. Amati sinar yang terbentuk pada video. Efek tindal tidak terjadi pada larutan karena cahaya diteruskan. Selanjutnya, efek tindal pada koloid susu. Pada percobaan ini, bahan yang digunakan adalah air dan susu. Chemister membuat larutan koloid dengan cara mencampurkan susu ke dalam air biasa, lalu diaduk hingga homogen. Bisa kalian lihat, pada koloid cahaya tidak diteruskan ke sisi lain gelas, melainkan dipantulkan ke segala arah. Hal ini disebabkan oleh partikel-partikel tidak terlihat yang ada dalam koloid, yang menyebabkan cahaya memantul ketika mengenai partikel tersebut. Terakhir adalah efek tindal pada suspensi campuran pasir. Bahan pada suspensi ini adalah air dan pasir. Lalu kita membuat suspensi dengan mencampurkan pasir ke dalam air. Campuran ini akan langsung membentuk endapan, maka dari itu aduklah pasir agar dapat menyatu dengan air. Jika kita amati berkas cahaya yang terbentuk, cahaya tidak mampu menembus sisi lain gelas, apalagi jika kita arahkan pada endapan. Hal ini dikarenakan ukuran partikel pada suspensi lebih besar daripada koloid, sehingga cahaya akan tertahan. Jika kita membandingkan efek tindal pada ketiga jenis campuran ini, pada larutan cahaya diteruskan. Pada suspensi seharusnya cahaya tertahan, tapi karena banyak partikel yang sudah mengendap pada video di atas, jadi cahaya terlihat seperti diteruskan. Lalu pada koloid cahaya dipantulkan.
Okay guys, alright, now that you watched the video and I want to ask you just one question. In the video, there was a part where a beam of light become clearly visible when it's passed throughout a mixture. Which color property was shown in that moment, guys? Oke, Pak, silahkan.
Saya Miss, efek tindal Miss.
Very good. Yes, that phenomenon is called the Tyndall effect, where light is scattered by colloidal particles, so the beam becomes visible, guys. Very good. Yes, that phenomenon is called the Tyndall effect, where light is scattered by colloidal particles, so the beam becomes visible, guys. Now that you have recognition one of the colloid properties from the video, I would like you to complete the worksheet I have given you in this worksheet. You needed to find words related to the properties of colloid. So, as the Tyndall effect, Brownian motion, adsorption, and coagulation. Look carefully, read each clue, and find all the related words. If you need any help, I will assist you. So guys, alright everyone, let's conclude what we have learned today. We have studied the four main properties of collage. We learned how the Tyndall effects allows us to see a light beam, how Brownian motion shows the random movements of small vapor particles, how absorption allows colloidal substances to attract other substances, and how coagulation makes colloidal particles form clumps. As a quick evaluation, think about one real life example that you have seen that demonstrates any of these colloid properties. You do not need to say it out loud, just reflect on it silently. Takes a moment to reflect on today's lesson. Which part was the easiest for you to understand, and which part do you feel you need to review again? Reflection will help you become more aware of your learning process, guys. For your follow-up assignment, observe at least two college-related phenomena around you. Write them down along with the properties on. You will share them in our next meeting, guys. In our next lesson, we will discuss the types of colloids and their application in industry and everyday life. So, please prepare yourself, guys. Okay, guys, thank you for attention and cooperation today. I really appreciate your effort to learn science, really, guys. Have a good day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.